In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a script on your Intouch application. So first thing to do is to add your windows or your screen. So just right click on the windows at the left side, click new, name your window, click OK. After that, you need to add a tag. The tag dictionary is located on your left bottom of your screen here. Double click it, click new. First tag, I will put timer start, change the type into memory discrete, click OK, and click save. Second tag will be time stop, same type, memory discrete, click save. We'll add a timer, click type, change it to memory integer, click OK, click save. We'll add an output, so an output will be, for example, a motor. Change the type into memory discrete, click OK, save. So whenever I click new, it automatically rename it into 2. The last number will add up 1. Click save, click new, click save. Now I'm done with the tag. Let's create a button. Let's add a button. The button will be located on your right side corner of the screen here. I will rename the button into start. So in order for you to rename, just right click, substitute the string, rename it to start. Just copy it to save time, paste it, rename the string to stop. And now for the output. For the output, I'm gonna use a fan already made on the orchestra here on the upper part of your screen here. So we'll take a graphics from the orchestra in the orchestra symbol library. Just look for the fan. Just copy. So 3 motors. Drag, align. Okay. Now the interesting part is to add a script on your project. So how to add a script? Double click your start button. On the touch push button, you just click the action, double click, find the tags that we created, timer start. So whenever I left click, the timer start will turn to 1. Click OK. And for the stop, so we change this to stop. The motor will also stop. So every time you create a script, it should end up to have a semicolon at the last, like this. Click OK. Now I will add a timer value here so that we can monitor the value of our timer. Double click this, assign a value display, double click it, locate the timer, click OK. So now we have a start and stop assigned. Now let's go for the condition here on the left corner of your screen here. Right click, click new, delete this, find the time start here. So whenever the timer is always true, while true, so I will put here 1000 milliseconds, so that's equivalent to 1 second. Then the timer will add up to 1. Click validate. Keeps timer. So when I start this, the timer will count +1. And I will add another condition to start the motor. So if the timer is greater to 1, then motor 1 will turn on. Semicolon. Click save, click OK. We'll add another condition. If timer is greater than 3, then your motor 2 will turn on. For our motor number 3, if timer is greater than 6, then motor 3 will turn on. Okay, let's save it and press the runtime on the upper right side of your screen. So if I start this, then it will start counting. So the motor is not running, so we're gonna check. Double click the motor. It doesn't run because we didn't yet assign the value. Double click, assign. Click save and simulate. So the timer doesn't reset to 0, so maybe we didn't configure it correctly. So here I put 1, which is not, and that timer should reset to 0. Okay. See? So the sequence is once it's greater than 1, Then the motor 1 will start running, and your motor 2 after 3 seconds will start running, and your motor 3 greater than 6 will start running. As you can see, whenever it stops, it's still counting. So I'm gonna change this, go to start, maybe I make it okay, this is correct. Okay, so maybe here in the time start, while true, okay, this is correct. Time start here will be, start will be 0. And we'll add also that if the timer is equals to 7, for example, I mean 60 seconds, then our timer will reset to 0. See, it will reset to 0, and whenever I start it, it will start counting. Motor 1 is running, motor 3 is running, so after 60 seconds, then the timer will reset to 0. See, and then it start counting. So I will change the counting lesser, and I make it 10. Then your motor timer start will also 0. Motor 1 is 0, 0, 0. Time start. Okay. Okay, let's run again. Stop. Start. Oops. One, two. Here. Let's run again. Stop. See, It's perfectly done.